coming to arrive. I can hear my stomach growl from at least a quarter mile. Running for some energy, hunting through my body needs. My day will never stand a chance when I do these breakfast stands. It's breakfast time. Gotta get me going. Gotta get me going. Gotta get me going. Gotta get me breakfast.